Welcome to the Maths Cafe. Here we have the menu. There are 3 items on the menu: coffee, a tea cake or a bacon bap at bargain prices. A coffee will set you back £2. A tea cake will only set you back £1, and a bacon bap, well worth it, will set you back £3. Now you can pick up these. The cafe is open before school at Breakfast Club, during break time and at lunchtime. And on one particular day, the number of items sold were as follows. At breakfast there were 10 coffees sold, 2 tea cakes and 5 bacon baps. At break time there were 18 coffees sold, 3 tea cakes and 6 bacon baps. And at lunchtime there were 5 coffees, 3 tea cakes and no bacon baps. Well, if I were to work out the amount of money that was taken at each time, so the amount of money at breakfast, at break and at lunch, I could do the following. I could have coffee, multiply that by 2 to get 20, and then the tea cake multiplied by 1 to get 2, and then the bacon bat multiplied by 3 to get 15, and then I can add these together to get 37, and that tells me that the total money taken at breakfast time, that's before school, was £37. I could do the same for break. I can have 18, multiply that, the coffee, by 2 to get my £36. I have 3 multiplied by 1 to get £3. 6 multiplied by 3 to get £18, and I can add all these up together to get, what do we got here? We got 9 plus the 8, that makes 17, and I got the 3, 4, 5, that's £57 in total at break. And I can do the same in this column too. So here I have the total amount taken at breakfast, break and lunch. Well, there's another way to store this information, and this is where the matrix comes in, and it's why we do the multiplication in this way, the dot product. So let's have a look at this. We had the information a moment ago, still at the Maths Cafe, but we could store this information, like I said, as a matrix, and it would look like this. So we'd have the cost, first of all, that's 213. And then we'd have all the different amounts that were sold at the different times. So we got 10, 2, 5, 18, 3, 6, 5, 3, and 0. And when we multiply these two matrices together, we do 2 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. And that gives us the 37 that we had before. And then next, we've got this row and this column. 2 multiplied by 18 plus 1 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 6. And that gives us the 57. And the last one, 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 0 gives us the 13. And that's how multiplying matrices work. The key thing to notice is that you need to have the same number of columns here as rows here.